Greetings viewers and subscribers. Unfortunately, we regret to inform you that we won't be uploading any episodes for Bartender today. However, we will be uploading all 8 episodes tomorrow. But in the meantime, feel free to enjoy our vlog and our previous episodes if you haven't tuned in as yet. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
I don't know, I guess he just remembered.
And that is
He just remember and he said, oh, someone That's all. In a nice one like that boy here. I'm going to come over here. Nice. The fourth place of them over here.
Yes. Years.
That must sound nice. Sound like fire.
Willis? No, fuck her sport. It's more, yeah, I forgot to drive out again.
I'll try everything.
Alright, so when the film starts, you're going to be on that side.
Hello.
That is the,
Hello.
what you call it? That's the congregation corner.
Should be one for your sugar, so he's ranking. I like it.
Hey, ranking. Badness.
The price of peace is not always paid in cash. Sometimes blood is what's required.
This is very strong and stern than your feet. You can't get married. You're falling, you can't get married.
I like enough. That's not really no.
A bag of money, you can't get everybody married.
Why did it look brown?
This is the thing. This is the establishing shot of him watching you guys. Okay. This is the walk-up. You and you. Here.
Sean?
Sean.
Alright, whisper. You're going to do 10 push-ups. 5 on both hands and 5 on one hand. 10. You ready?
On protected six.
Walk up.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go 5 more. Go 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go 5 more. Go 5 more now.
Why?
Asleep, you asleep?
No, I'm just tired.
Set the tired, what you gonna do the push
With
up?
a tape?
Long time.
What is supposed to be?
You're gonna do 10 push up. 5 on both hands and 5 on one hand.
We can't handle the 5 2-hand push up. There's no way you can get 5 2-hand push up.
You don't know what can happen. Give it a try. No? Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, that not bad. One and now.
Strong this hand.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A 4.5 that
We
enough?
don't even know how to try the left hand. Come here, I tell you.
A 4.5 that you just do.
You know, say the director should be exempt from them things. Right?
How do you put a half a push up?
Him not good. Ready? 1. Sir, what is that? 1,
Yeah.
2, 3, 4. Straight down. You see? I told you we can do it, but you never believe. You see? You see?
Look here, don't come back for them. The tires.
Alright, Butcher, you next. You're going to do 10 push-ups. 5 on both hands. And 5 on one hand. You ready?
Yeah, that's people.
You ready?
Hey, from me I go to school, I never like carry to them. I show me the big and fat. I go to school.
Come see if I can lose pound with them here. Come.
Yo.
Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, that complete. Mr.
5 with one hand. Then we get 20, man.
Right, so you're going? I'm sure to stop you. One hand now. Yeah.
Hold on, let me can't wait.
Dragon. Come, you can't set your foot side, that's your job. No, why don't make your foot?
Hold on,
You can't. Alright, him give up. It is. Your time now. Alright, your time now. It is.
I don't know if I'm butcher, I'm slim.
You don't know if you do already, I'm not have to repeat it. Ready? You ready? That's it.
Ready, butcher?
Are your time ready?
Oh, am I done?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Lord!
Wait. Come. Ready? 1.
I can't do this. Is that the one, man? No, I don't want to do that.
You give up already.
I can't do that. I haven't got chain in.